In order to clear browsing data on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, first of all, we're going to open the browser. In my case, I'm going to use the Google Chrome browser as an example. Of course, if you use a different browser, these steps might look a little bit different, but in general, they are similar. The general idea is to go to open some sort of options, like for example, over here we have these three dots that I can tap in order to reveal some options like the history, downloads, and so on and so forth. And over here we have delete the browsing data. In your case, if you have a different browser, you might need to go to settings in order to find an option to clear browsing data. So let's select this option. In this case, we can choose the time period, the range that we want to erase from our phone, and then we can simply press delete data. You can also tap on more options in order to choose what specifically you want to remove, and then over here we once again have the time range, and then confirm by pressing delete data. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.